Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Merge Garden on your Android device. First of all, launch open your Google Play Store on your Android device and also make sure that the device is connected to a stable internet. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom center and type in Merge Garden in the search box. In the search result, look for the Merge Garden application from Future Play and tap on Install. Wait for the application to download and install, and once it does, click on the play button to launch open the game. And there you have it. That is how you download and install Merge Garden application on your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.